Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make green beans out of a can. First, drain one 15-ounce can of green beans thoroughly. Next, gather your favorite seasonings like salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. You might also want a tablespoon of butter or olive oil to enhance the flavor. This simple preparation ensures your green beans are ready for cooking and will taste delicious with minimal effort. There are two quick ways to heat your green beans. For the stovetop, place the drained beans in a small saucepan over medium heat. Stir occasionally for about 5 minutes until they are hot. Alternatively, for a faster option, microwave the beans in a microwave-safe dish, covered, for 2 minutes. Always ensure they are heated through, but still retain a slight crispness. To elevate your canned green beans, consider some simple flavor boosters. Sauté a 1/4 cup of chopped onion or minced garlic in butter before adding the beans for a savory base. A pinch of red pepper flakes can add a nice, subtle kick. For a bright finish, stir in a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice just before serving. These additions transform basic beans into a delightful side dish. Your delicious canned green beans are now ready to serve. They make a fantastic, easy side dish for almost any meal. For an extra touch, garnish them with some crispy bacon bits or toasted slivered almonds. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly prepared green beans.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.